Have you ever wondered how to maintain healthy blood sugar levels and boost your energy naturally? Well, you're about to discover a that might just change the game. Introducing Sugar Defender, a product designed to support blood sugar levels and energy. This isn't your average supplement. It's a carefully crafted formula made with natural ingredients, specifically aimed at giving you the health support you've been looking for. Are you ready to take the first step towards better health? Click the link below to learn more about Sugar Defender and how it can support your health. Now let's dig a little deeper into what makes Sugar Defender stand out. The ingredients in this product aren't just thrown together. They're chosen, each one with a specific purpose in mind. Sugar Defender is a cocktail of nature's finest, all aimed at supporting your body's blood sugar levels. The ingredient list of this product is a testament to its quality. However, it's important to note that the effectiveness of Sugar Defender isn't evaluated by the FDA. This means that while many customers find the product beneficial, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement. One of the best parts about Sugar Defender is its pricing and supply options. The product offers various supply options, with prices that cater to different budgets. Whether you're looking to try it out or commit to a long-term supplement plan, there's an option for you. But that's not all. The creators of Sugar Defender believe in their product so much that they offer a 60-day money-back guarantee. This means you can try the product, and if you're not satisfied, you can get your money back, no questions asked. To sweeten the deal, Sugar Defender offers free ebooks with certain purchase options. These ebooks are filled with valuable insights about maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. In summary, Sugar Defender is a blood sugar support product that combines natural ingredients to help maintain healthy blood sugar levels and boost energy. With various supply options, a 60-day money-back guarantee, and the bonus of free ebooks, it's a product that goes the extra mile for customer satisfaction. Remember, maintaining healthy blood sugar levels is pivotal to overall health. So why not give Sugar Defender a try? It might just be the support your body needs.